I'm going to show you how I made my celery pulp hummus. I use celery juicing. I use the pulp from the juicing to make this. So I also used the green northern beans, the whole can. I also used the tahini, if I'm pronouncing it correctly, 3 tablespoons, two of the garlic clove, onion, lemon. And this is the amount of the garlic that I use. So I'm basically putting everything in I'm going to use my Ninja to mix everything together. So I'm basically stuffing it inside the container here where I'm going to use this bin. Now I noticed that tahini, if I'm pronouncing that correctly, it's very kind of watery. So it tells you in the instructions you have to stir it real good before you use it. So I spent time doing that. Then I squeezed out a whole lemon that was also going into this hummus. So now you see I'm taking it out and it requires 3 tablespoons. I will leave all the instructions in my description on this particular YouTube video that I'm doing. So I did the recipe said for 3, but I did use a little extra. And then the last thing I have to add, because I already added everything else, is my lemon. So I had to kind of push it down a little bit because it seemed like it was a lot. And I have a Ninja blender, which I probably should have used that. But since I didn't have a whole lot, I figured this would be a little bit easier to use. So I was just trying to push that down as much as I can. And then top it and then go ahead and spin it, as you can see in a few minutes. Now, it did seem like the only problem that I had with this, some of the ingredients at the top actually did not spin all the way. It did not get to the top. So I actually had to stir it. I had to take some out and then stir it, bring some of mix it together. And then I had to try it again just to make sure that it mixed well. And that's basically all you have to do. You just mix all the ingredients together and you spin it. If you have a Ninja or whatever mixer you have, it should work. The key thing is you want to blend everything together so it can be creamy. And then you can adjust the seasonings to your liking. The recipe did not call for onions, but I wanted to use onions. That's my other Ninja device behind this one. So once I took a little bit out and I was able to mix it again and everything was fine. So this is great to put on veggies, or you want to put on your sandwich. It had a nice taste to me. I liked it. It's a little bit different from the hummus I've had in the store, but it was just nice and very economical. So here is my hummus. I was so proud of myself to be able to make this. So hope you try it. Please like and subscribe if you would like, and hope you enjoy.